Alright, this is test 2. Test 1 didn't go so well with those 3DR props, so I switched to the 3-blade props. I think the problem is the 3DR props are 9.5 props and their tips get too close together. So that's not going to work. Bad start. If you get a bad start, go ahead and let the radio finish booting up. Once it's finished booting up, you can unplug. That means the sensor wasn't stable, and that happens from time to time. I had several successful starts from the first start. I am farting around with the compass too though right now, so that's the first good tone, and then after it gets through booting up, you get another one, and that tone there, and that turns to a green flashing, slow green flashing light, which means everything's good. We're going to press and hold the button on the side to arm the ESCs, and let's arm the motors by holding the transmitter stick over. Now let's see what kind of throttle we get with the 3-blade props. Oh, much better. Oh yeah, that is a world bit better than those 3DR props. I have been very impressed with the 3-blade props. I mean, really, there's nothing smoother. Alright, let's see if I was successful in getting the compass calibrated correctly and getting it oriented correctly on the settings. That's loiter, right on the money. Look at loiter just sit right there and hold position. That is about the most stable loiter I've seen yet. That's phenomenal. I mean, that thing is holding position like it's got a stone tied to it. Let's do return to launch and see what we get there. Coming over to the home point. I should have set the home point a little better. I did power up inside. That's the other thing. I did power up inside, so. But man, loiter is right on the money. Look, and it returned right to its position. A little breeze of wind coming through. We got a little bit of thunderstorms coming through here, so man, I'm real happy with this. Next is for me to test the video transmitter and on-screen display and make sure all that's working properly. But man, this thing is so smooth. I think it's the smoothest flying flight controller I've flown yet, especially on a 350. Yaw is a little weird. That's why I had a problem turning just now. Okay, I see what's going on. It looks like Expo has been applied to the yaw or rotor stick. So if you go all the way over with rotor, which I'm used to make it spin fast, it spins real fast. If you go just a little bit yaw, it yaws well. But if you go too far, well, that's pretty normal right there. That's not bad at all. It's actually pretty dang smooth. It buffers yaw. This flight controller is buffering the yaw to smooth the yaw out. Wow, I've not seen, okay, that's new. That's new. When you first start yawing, it slows it down and it makes it to where it's not so jerky and sharp. You have to get used to it. It's different, but it did take me but a hot second to understand what the difference was. And So now that I've figured that out, it is so much smoother on yawing. Man, that is just, it's graceful. That's one of the most precise flight controllers I've armed yet, and I'm real impressed with it. That's the MiniPIX Hawk in the X350 with the powertrain mod. That's ESC's 3DR motors, 3-blade props. It's the best flying 350 I've flown yet. It's very precise, very accurate, smooth, graceful, powerful, plenty of lift capacity for camera and gimbal. Loiter that's rock solid. Loiter that even when wind blows, it stays in position. Very impressed. Thanks for watching.